Action.
Today on the Dirty Shop, we're making ugly shelves with chains holding them up. Stick around.
They were actually not that ugly. Go.
For this project, we've got our 4 shelves. We're just using old recycled stuff here, but you could do it with as pretty as you want. And we got 2 chains that are plenty long for what we need. We got some cut boards for the back of the shelf. You could use shelf brackets if you want, but we've got these boards. We're just trying to do it on the cheap. And then we've got all the screws that we need to hold the chains on. We've got the bolts to hold them to the roof. You could use eye screws, but we didn't have any. So for now, this is what we got. We're going to go and install this, and you'll see how it goes.
This project has become a lot harder than we thought.
So the problem is our ceiling trusses? Trusses, that's the thing. Trusses are 24 inches because this is like one of those prefab sheds. So we got one here, we got one here, and then we have maybe something against this wall. And our boards are 34 inches long, so they come out to like right here. In between those two, and all wrong. Everything's wrong. So we might have to get up into the attic and put up a bar where we want to put our bolts in, and Logan volunteered me to do that, even though it's his room. So I'm not going to. If he wants it that way, he's going to do it himself.
Bugger.
Here, come over here.
It is active right now.
I know, just go over here. We'll cut out the piece that we need.
Okay. Well, now I'm too close. There you go.
Okay, well, here's a trick for the Dirty Shop. I wonder if we could change the orientation to a short video orientation, so we don't have to do it in
like
the thing.
This?
Yeah.
That probably work.
Yeah, but shut it off now because the video just rotated. That's right.
Go.
All right, so we decided we don't want to go on the roof again. We're just going to do it the easy way. But if you wanted it really nice, go on the roof and put up something you can bolt to.
I was fully prepared to do it, and then he decided that it was too
whining about it so much, I just didn't make it.
I didn't whine about it at all.
Stop whining.
This is false information. I was fully prepared and willing to do it.
There we are.
And he decided it was too difficult.
This is the easy way, Logan. Don't you like the easy way? That's how we do it in the Dirty Shop. We do it.
Not the right way, the easy way.
I didn't want it done right, I wanted it done now.
This is how all great achievements are made. Don't you know?
I'm pretty sure the great achievements are the people that come behind me and fix all the things I screwed up.
Yes. Voila.
There we go.
That's probably in a little bit tight.
What? No, it's not. This is the front edge of the shelf.
Oh, okay.
I measured it, Logan, amazingly enough.
Wow.
Look. It's actually in just like an 1/8 of an inch, but it's all right. Because the chain is going to be on the outside of it. It'll be fine.
It'll work.
Fine.
It'll work.
Good.
It'll work.
All right, now we need to put our shelves on the wall here. And with this
Okay.
weird picture. What is this picture?
That's a cool picture. What are you talking about?
The screw. The
You
nail
took
came
the nail
with it.
out.
I don't know how.
Fail. What?
All right. All right, now we need to lay out our shelf spots. Get back to you. All right.
I have graduated to live action.
Yeah.
You are now the cameraman.
I'm letting you have this scene, Logan. Don't mess it up. All right. We marked our walls where we want our shelves to be, and we got our bases for our shelves, the back brackets that we're going to use, with our screws pre-set. So we're just going to start on this one here. Oh, that's not that way. This way.
That's probably a good idea.
We should probably put it where the outer studs actually
Yeah.
are. So I'm just going to line this up on that line and then put the level on it and make sure we're level. And Logan's going to put the screw into it. The only drawback is I can't really see where the top. Okay. All right, do it.
Cameraman.
Here. All right, I can do this one
Yeah,
now.
do that one.
Grab the next shelf. Okay, that's one. Put it up there.
This way.
Oh yeah, looks like it.
You have to tell me where it's lined up.
I can't see. I'm not that tall.
See either.
Bugger. You go up that.
I'm taller than you.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Level on it. Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
But there's level and then
It's a
there's level.
shelf.
Okay, is it lined up?
Yes.
Okay.
Put the screw in.
You don't want your books to roll off.
That like 0.3 of a degree.
It matters.
That did not go into.
That did.
No, it did not.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty positive.
It pulled itself into the wood. It has to have gone into something. These are pre-drilled.
It's definitely in sheetrock, not a board.
There's a board there. Let's do the bottom one.
Okay.
It'll be fine. What's the worst that can happen?
That screw is definitely in sheetrock.
No, it's not. I throw this one ends up in the board in something.
Like, you can tell when you drill into something and it like sinks in like it's sheetrock. It sinked in like it was sheetrock. Oh, jeez. Bad drilling.
Here.
See, that went into wood.
Whatever. Well, we might have to move it on one up there, but it's, I don't know. Okay. Next. A little more on there.
Might have been on wood. I don't know. It did not feel like wood.
Some wood feels different than others.
Wow.
That is so crooked. Your eye is all crooked, Logan.
That was just as off as yours on the top one.
It wasn't. On the top one, I couldn't see the line.
Fail.
Down, down. Yeah. Up, up, up. No, you're going the wrong way. Up. A little more up. Okay, that's semi-level. And we're close to the line. All right, I think that'll work.
Good enough.
Stay there. Here.
Okay.
All right.
Ow.
Sweet.
I hit my nut.
All right, and now the shelves.
Are definitely not.
They go right there.
Yeah.
Like that. We might have to.
Did you pre-drill these?
I did not pre-drill our shelves, so let's go pre-drill our shelves.
Good idea.
We're gonna go pre-drill our shelves.
You're back. Yeah.
Graceful. All right. So now our chains are gonna hold the front of our shelf, and so I've got some screws. The original plan was to put the bolts into the ceiling, but obviously that didn't work. And the second plan was to put the board in the ceiling, and we decided not to do that because we're lazy. And then we did this plan instead. So now we could just use a screw straight through the front of it to hold the shelf up.
Why are you putting? Oh, never mind. My comment went out the window.
So this goes right here, like this.
Yep.
Stuck on things. All right, and this one.
Beauty.
Give me your bling.
I'm in chains.
And you're shackled.
We didn't end at the middle.
There we go. Yeah.
All right.
Probably be a good idea.
All right, and then that one goes there.
You didn't, Dad.
What?
That's not the end of the board.
I know it's not the end of the board. It's 8 inches in from the end on each side.
Why?
Because I liked it that way. All right.
Okay. Sure.
I get those quite even though.
What do you
Well,
I don't think it matters.
It's a 16th off.
Oh my gosh!
All right.
We're too lazy to put it in the ceiling, but I'll have him British 16th off.
All right. I need some screws for that.
I believe that we pre-drilled. Man, I just failed on sanding that side of that.
Yeah. Let's put like the middle one on first, because why not?
Okay. I'm trying to find where you pre-drill your holes.
I drilled them all. That's the wrong board, you silly. It's those boards.
Oh,
That's your old shelf.
there's a different board. I didn't know this.
Here, let's try this one.
That one probably has holes in it.
Pathetic.
I didn't know
I
that.
thought you guys were starting in the middle.
No, I started
We're starting at the
instead.
bottom now.
I changed
Plans
mine.
changed again.
I'm adaptable. Alright. Give me some more of those screws, Logan.
Alright, we're coming back after that short break. We are filling in screws. Sorry. Okay. Next.
The dog's wandering.
Hey. You got scared. Very loud.
They don't. that last board.
Oh. This is very boring. Sorry, guys.
Well, we'll probably These shelves have got like this cool curvature to them, so everything will just stay back.
That was very intentional.
Yeah, right. Deliberate.
These ones?
Yeah, those ones. We're going to use this type of screw. I think it's called a truss head screw to screw the chain on. Nice and easy. Now we can take off the last bit of these.
Leave a little excess hanging off.
Why?
I don't know. I think it would be cool.
No, we don't. No.
Okay.
Don't leave a little excess hanging off.
That was a dumb idea.
I think it would be really cool, but
Cameraman is wrong. Woman.
Person.
Person. Now,
There we go.
they should
You've
get
got-
pulled down.
Yeah, once you load some books on here, should
You take some
stretch
books?
those out. All right, let's see how they work. Those turned out ugly.
They did. Very, very ugly.
So if you do it prettier.
Do it with actual, like, not scrap
No,
boards.
not scrap.
Because, yeah, these are very bent.
But this was cheap.
It was very cheap. It was actually free.
Cheap. Yeah.
Well, I mean, technically not, because we bought these at some point. But we were not using them for anything else, so.
All right.
your book's upside down.
If you want to do shelves, you might want to do them this way. I can't guarantee that it's a good idea, but it does work. This is not the first time I've done it. So thanks for watching.
And it looks cool. We should show them.
Well, yeah.
Close up.
You guys are getting shown. There's the shelves. They actually don't look bad from the front.
Usually panning with the camera doesn't work very well, but it's all right.
Oh. You have been panned.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys. Baby goat. This is a new addition to the farm. There's the barn. There's Mama chasing after baby goat. Hey, baby goat.
She's
Hey,
like you.
baby. Come here. Over here. Over here. Stop hitting him. Baby goat.
He just loves me more.
It's very nice. It's very